guys, it's Charlotte and welcome to today's video, which is going to be like a grocery shopping haul. Oh my god, Bijou really wants it. I'm letting her in. Bijou, come on. Come on up. Come join mama. Mood. Okay, Bijou, no lick. Just sit calmly. She loves me. Okay, that's enough. Here, give you the sheep papa. And we are going grocery shopping / I'm going to a market. So I'm going to show you guys how to shop for groceries healthily and basically what I get and how to shop local and the groceries that I'm going to buy from my local market. So it's kind of like a farmer's market, but it's open like all the time. So I think they just call it a market, but I'm excited. I've never gone to this one before. I was just going to weekly farmers markets on Sunday. So now I'm going to try this. That was the Sheba butt. Sorry, Bijou's like distracting the heck out of me. But we are going to go and yeah, and I also have to stop a couple places to drop off and recycle some of my old cosmetics products that I've used up, as well as a couple other things. So I'll take you guys along with me, and basically, yeah, this is going to be a video on how to grocery shop healthily and sustainably. I guess it'll kind of give you insight into the things I purchase. And a lot of the things that I'm going to get from the market are vegetables that I'm going to juice in my juicer and make things out of, like kale chips and all that kind of great stuff. So me and Bijou's gonna stay home actually, but I literally love her so much. She's so sweet. So I'm gonna go get dressed because this was just my workout wear from taking them on a walk this morning, and I'll take you guys along. Okay, see you. Oh, hey guys, I'm in the mall and I am going to go to my favorite store, which is Ella. And I'm going to get tooth powder. Literally, I came here for tooth powder to brush my teeth, but they have one that no one else does. I just ran out, and there is a place that refills tooth powder here in my city, but it's only the charcoal kind, and you can only use it a few times a week, only a couple times. So I want to have one that I can use all the time because I don't use regular toothpaste. So, and they also recycle all the containers here. They have like a really great program. We stand for Charlotte, so I'm just gonna get that and then head to the grocery store. I'm excited, to the market. Perfect. I'm so excited. Hey guys, so the girl at Ella was literally so sweet. She was so cute. I told her. And I got my tooth powder, which I'm so excited about. And then I saw this in their Instagram and I forgot, and I really wanted to get it. It is their pure deodorant. It is like a compostable deodorant, since like deodorant are so wasteful. So this is an option and we're excited, and I got this. The girl mentioned it and I was like, yes honey, like I would have forgotten. So I'm really glad I got this. I'm gonna try it out, and I went with her scent choice, so that's good. Now I'm just finding my mom. Okay, see you guys. When a guy tries talking to you at a store and you're overwhelmed and you just leave. I am literally obsessed with it. It looks like an actual market store, like in California or something. It's so cute. I'm at the market. I'm so excited. I might try to get an aloe vera plant too. Mom, they might have aloe vera, yeah?
We should.
Yay. Okay. Ah, local garlic. Peaches from BC. Oh, chicken. Not getting that, but wow, Theobroma. That's what I'm allergic to, so I definitely can't have that. Oh my god, white chocolate though. Is it vegan though? Oh, mood. Is this, and it's 50% off? Oh no. Oh, this is it. Wow. Shows you how educated I am. 30% off?
Perennial. I don't know if aloe vera is perennial.
We hope so. Look at all the garlic. I feel bad because I have the big thing of garlic at home. Oh my god, they have stevia. Well, I already have stevia, but that's still fun. Look it.
Oh, I was thinking you might want watermelon.
Wow. I know, me too. Is it the stuff I like? With seeded?
But it is with the seed, but this is the nicest.
It is.
Out of all of them.
Oh my god. Well, that's the kind I like.
Doesn't seem
Seeded?
bad.
Seeded is the only kind of watermelon that people should be eating. It's the best. They have a cantaloupe from BC. I'm getting it.
Oh,
perfect.
Well, let me.
Okay, we get this one. Lettuce. Look at this. Oh my god, I'm so excited, Mom. Look it. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm forgetting to vlog because I'm getting so excited. So, I got avocado. I got avocado. I can't believe it. So I got some of these because I love them on salad. They're really great. I got these peaches. They are BC peaches and they're amazing. It's only $25 for the whole bucket. And there's like a million peaches. Love them. There's more peaches. Look at this. This is literally heaven. I got some of these limes. They're limes. Lemon. Amazing. And stuff I don't eat. More limes. Mango. Look at the banana. I don't know if they're organic, so I don't know if I can have. I have lots of basil in my air garden, so I don't eat. Amazing. Oh my god, pickling cucumbers need. And look what they have. Corn, which we're excited about. But the most exciting thing is the amount of kale. Like what? I'm gonna make so many kale chips. And these, I'm gonna probably get some of this, some of that for, I'm gonna get a bunch of greens for juicing. And they have the, oh, sorry. And then they also have a bunch of local celery. So I need to get a lot of that because I love celery juice. It's so healthy. So we love that. Okay. So I don't think they have any lettuce unwrapped, but I have some lettuce at home. So that's okay. I'm gonna get some stuff that I can put in my juicer. So, oh my god, look at everything. Got some of these tomatoes because they look really cool and I just want to try them. Okay guys, so almost done. There's my mom. She's so cute. So I decided I got some Swiss chard, which is exciting. It's local. Yay. I got some ginger, which isn't local, but I need it for juicing. So. Okay, those are just onions. Okay, now I love cucumbers with tahini. That's like my favorite raw vegan savory snack, besides kale chips. And usually I cannot get sugar snap peas that are not in plastic. So these ones are in bulk, so I'm gonna just get some. And I'm gonna use my cute bag. It has cats on it, it's really cute. So I'm gonna fill up some and get some of these. And what else did I get? I got some kale, I got some local, it's non-organic, sorry. I got that one non-organic, I think I got the organic of this one. I think so, I don't know, I can't remember. But yeah, I did that, and then I'll take you guys along more, but that's what I got so far. I'm so excited to juice all this. I'm debating whether or not I should get a third celery. 2 is probably fine. We won't have enough room in our fridge. Okay, I'm done getting the groceries. Haven't paid for them yet. But we're gonna pick out my aloe vera plant. I don't know anything about plants, so me and my aloe vera plant. Hey guys, we're waiting in line to pay. So I thought I'd show you some of the things I'm getting while I'm just waiting. Okay, first I don't want to move it because I'll drop it. I got BC cherries, which, holy, I literally, should I get 2? Like, I love them that much. We'll see what the price is in total and then we'll decide. Okay, amazing. My mom's getting some relish. I got my aloe vera plant. There he is. Spider boy. Hey guys, so I'm gonna put my groceries away. Okay, so the lighting is like really horrendous, but I'm gonna talk to you guys while I put all my stuff away. Yay! Okay, and it came up to $95, so around $100, but this will last me a long time and it's all fresh and like organic and stuff, so it's lovely. Okay, we got Swiss chard, number 1. Then I got some purple kale, so that's fun. Then I got some sugar snap peas, which those will be delicious with hummus. Here we have our 2 tomatoes and a thing that my mom got, like a pepper, which I hate peppers. Then I got 2 celeries, and that's exciting. They're local too, which is amazing. Then I have a huge bag of stuff, which is kind of hard to show. But I got a big bag of limes, big bag of lemons, a cantaloupe from BC, and 2 avocados. I have my beautiful watermelon. Then I got my kale, which I think was organic. I can't remember. My beautiful BC peaches, which is beautiful. And then I got the BC cherries, which I'm gonna have some of these right now. Local tomatoes, little small ones. And that's it. And I'll chat with you guys later about it. I'm so excited. Okay, bye. Hey guys, it's Charlotte, and it's the next day, and I guess I'm here with Bijou. Bijou down! I'm here with my juicer, and I'm going to make some juice with the veggies I got yesterday. So I thought I'd just quickly show you guys just like an extra juice recipe. Bijou, you're biting my hand. What the heck are you doing? What are you doing? No, stay. But anyways, I'm really excited. I'm gonna make my juice. And just to show you guys quick, I am putting in half a lemon. I'm putting in a mango. Oh, here it is. Some old mango I have that really needs to be used up. A bunch of kale stems from the organic kale I got yesterday. The kale, like the actual kale, not the stems. I am going to put those and make them into kale chips in my dehydrator. And then I'm going to use Swiss chard. And I think that's all for today. I might put in a little bit of cucumber or some celery, but I want to save my celery for pure celery juice. So we'll see. But that's my juice recipe. And goodbye. Okay, see you.